Hi guys, welcome to CRA Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Thanks for dropping by. Hope everyone's doing fine. On today's video I did pick up the next edition of the Australian cars collection. This is number 13 and it's the V8 Chrysler Valiant VC from 1966, and I'm continually amazed on the quality of these castings. They're absolutely fantastic. So it comes with the magazine. We'll have a look at the magazine. It does contain all of the period road tests of the car, and it's got all of the specs. This is the V8 model. It's probably the 273 V8, 180 horsepower. It was pretty good back in 1966. And it's got a picture of the model. These are just stunning models, and for $25 you just can't go wrong. So it's got period road tests from Wheels magazine, pictures of the interior. This one's got a T-bar shifter in the console, and some more stats on the vehicle. Performance: 0 to 60 in 10 seconds, pretty good. Had options of disc brakes, which is unbelievable. I think the V8s have the disc brakes as standard, but you can see the speedometer error looks pretty accurate. It's only out by 0.1 most of the time. 17-second quarter mile. And then it's got some of the previous generation AP5, AP6s, and a couple of period advertising. $2,490. Wow, including tax. And they even imported these to Great Britain, but they weren't very popular apparently because they were just a little bit too big for the roads over there. And what's next? Oh, there's another advertising of the, is that an AP5? No, that's an AP6 because it's got the raised centre grille. And then at the back, some more trailering ideas for your car. And then the next one coming up, which I've already picked up, is this HG Monaro 350. I'll do that on a separate video, and that looks pretty cool as well. So for this one, we'll just take a closer look. These are just stunning models. It's just do like the Venetian shades in the back for our Aussie summer, because air conditioning wasn't that popular back then, or it was pretty expensive or not available from the factory. This one's got lens tail lamps, nice chrome bumpers, the correct hubcaps for the period, and interior, black interior, doesn't show much. This has got bucket seats, I think. Nice vinyl top. Nice circular white wall tyres, the correct hubcaps, and lensed headlamps, that V8 badge on the hood. Yeah, these are just remarkable, these castings. You know, for $25, I've paid, you know, $100 from a hobby shop for similar type of Australian vehicles, like that HG Monaro. I think I paid nearly $95 to $100, and this is only $25, and it's probably even better quality. It's got a nice V8 badge on the rear roof pillar, nice instrumentation. They've done an awesome job. And the outside rear view mirror, yeah, these are just fantastic. I'll just pop that down so you can have a look yourself. Just a beautiful, beautiful casting, and it's quite substantial. I'm not sure how many are in these series. I think Big Keg told me there's about 60 coming out, so I think, wow, I better make some storage space available for these, because I want to try and get as many as I can. Anyway, that's it for today. Just a quick showing. Hit the thumbs up for this video so it gets out there to other YouTubers, and we'll catch you on my next video, which will be the HG Monaro GTS 350. So once again, thanks very much, and bye for now.